Imagine this, a revolutionary way to build muscle and melt away fat without breaking a sweat. Now you're probably wondering, what's the real price tag behind this game-changing technology? Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. Today we'll uncover the truth about Emsculpt. Stick around as we unravel the answers to these burning questions. Let's kick things off by understanding the basics. What in essence is Emsculpt? In simple terms, Emsculpt is a non-invasive treatment designed to help you build muscle and sculpt your body. It's a game-changing method to achieve that sculpted physique you have been dreaming of. Okay, no more blah blah blah. Let's get straight to it. How much does Emsculpt cost, like those offered at beauty salons? Typically, a single 30-minute Emsculpt session costs between $500 to $1,000, with the popular Emsculpt Neo option at $1,000 per treatment. Achieving your body sculpting goals usually requires about 4 sessions, spaced 2 weeks apart. So, you can expect to pay anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 for a full series of Emsculpt treatments. And don't forget to budget for maintenance sessions every 6 months to preserve your muscle mass and tone. Then, how about owning an Emsculpt machine? And how much does an EMS machine cost? Whether you're looking to save by doing body sculpting at home or want to elevate your body contouring experience, you might want to consider purchasing an Emsculpt machine. At Sure Beauty and Way, we offer a range of Emsculpt machines designed for both home and professional use. You can acquire a home Emsculpt machine for approximately $1,000, allowing you to use it whenever you like in the comfort of your own space. On the other hand, if you're looking to enhance your body slimming services with a professional-grade machine, it may cost you between $2,000 and $6,000. The investment is well worth it compared with visiting beauty salons or spas. Finally, when it comes to the choice between owning an EMS machine for home use or opting for Emsculpt treatment at a beauty salon, which one should I lean toward? Choosing to buy an Emsculpt machine and using it at home offers several advantages. First and foremost, cost saving. You make a one-time investment in the machine, eliminating the need for ongoing salon fees. Second, convenience. You won't need to make salon appointments or commute to a salon, saving the time and hassle. Third, privacy. Some individuals prefer the privacy of their own home when undergoing body sculpting treatments. Fourth, flexibility. You have full control over the frequency and duration of your Emsculpt sessions. Last, long-term use. You can use it for an extended period, potentially achieving and maintaining a desired result over time. What about paying a visit to beauty salons or spas? Here are some of the perks we can look forward to when getting treatment here. First, expert supervision. Professional salon technicians are trained and experienced in using Emsculpt devices. Second, customized treatment plans. Salon staff can create personalized Emsculpt treatment plans tailored to your specific body goals and needs. Third, faster results. Professional treatment may yield more immediate and noticeable results. I have provided you with a rough estimate of Emsculpt costs. Now the decision is yours, whether to try Emsculpt at home or visit a beauty salon to achieve a slimmer you. That's so much for today. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time.